Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's fix Snapchat public profile not showing. First thing first, get logged into your account and then select your Bitmoji on your top left. Now in here, if you have a public profile, you will see it right here. And if it has not been enabled, you will see the option of enable right here. But for some reasons, if you're not being able to switch to your public profile, this might be a small glitch in your location. So the public profile feature may not be available in all regions. So make sure that you fall into the region where this profile is available. And next is account age. Your account must be at least 24 hours or in some cases up to a week old for your profile to be turned into public profile. So if it has not been 24 hours, you have to wait. And lastly, it's the age requirement. You must be at least 16 years old, for some sources indicating 18 plus for full public visibility. So verify your birthday is set to your Snapchat setting and it is correct that you are above 18 or 16. And that way you will be able to have your Snapchat public profile back.